Hello, I am going to talk about sorting in I'm going to talk about GoalSeek in Excel. GoalSeek is an analysis tool. GoalSeek is found under Data tab. Then go to what if analysis GoalSeek. This is So GoalSeek is an analysis tool that solves the formula in back direction. Suppose this is we are entering formula to multiply these two numbers. If want to change the value in result in C3 in this cell, then we must change either the value of A3 or B3. So these cells are supposed to be changing cell. This is A3 and B3. These are the changing cell, and this is set cell or target cell. And it is required that sets changing cell must not contain formula. The first requirement is that changing cell must not contain formula, and this one, which is called set cell, this cell must contain formula so that the formula can be solved in back direction. So doing the GoalSeek activity, first of all put the cell pointer into set cell or target cell, which is C3, that is this address. Then go to Data tab and then click on What if analysis and select GoalSeek. The dialog box will appear. So this cell, this highlighted cell is called set cell. Press the tab key, and suppose we want to have the value in C3 45. Suppose our target value is 45. So to get this value, which is 45 in this cell C3, which is called set cell or target cell, it is required that either we may change this or this cell, because these cells are called changing cell. So for making any change in this cell, we must either change this one or this one. I am going to click OK. I am going to cancel it. Again go to Data, What if analysis, GoalSeek. Suppose I want this value to 97. I want the value of this set cell instead of 12. I want to get this value to 97. So get this required value can be achieved only by changing one of the changing cell. So I am going to give the address of this changing cell, which is A1 A3 this time. Then click OK, and we will accept it.